Final call now for your bets. Last call to place your bets. We're only waiting for King Bull. King Bull. Now being loaded, set, ready for racing, race number 2. Racing just is started, one slow out, and that is Aituza. We have King Bull, very quickly to start. Royal Jewels is down on the inside. Next on, let is Pose left. Charismatic, Priceless Joy, Angel of Mercy, Price Dancer comes next, while Aituza is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have King Bull in hands of J.B. Hernandez. Now says why we followed. If we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a 6 lengths lead. Royal Jewels in second, Charismatic, Pose left, Angel of Mercy comes next. Then followed by Priceless Joy, Price Dancer, while Aituza is still racing in less. Another 4 turn, we have King Bull by about 4 lengths now. Royal Jewels in second, Charismatic, Pose left comes next, then followed by Angel of Mercy, and they are now entering the home stretch. King Bull by about 4 lengths, and in second is Royal Jewels. Charismatic is still in third, moving upon the outside is a Pose left. Last 75 meters, King Bull now is strides away by about 6, and finally King Bull. Royal Jewels, Charismatic, then comes Pose left, Angel of Mercy, Price Dancer, Priceless Joy, Aituza.